Record the marks scored by the students of your class in the unit test. The maximum marks for the unit test are 20. Display the data as a dot plot. Find the range of the data. To create a dot plot and find the range of the data for the unit test scores, follow these steps. Step 1. Collect data. Step 2. Sort the data. Step 3. Create the dot plot. Step 4. Calculate the range. The range of the data is 9 marks as per the graph. The age of your classmates varies from student to student. Record the age, in months, of your classmates in a tabular format. Visualize the data using a histogram. To analyze the age distribution of your classmates using a histogram and find the mode of the ages, follow these steps. Step 1. Collect data. Step 2. Create a histogram. Here is the histogram visualizing the distribution of ages among your classmates in months. Each bar in the histogram represents the frequency of classmates at a specific age. Form statistical investigative questions to find the favorite fruit of your class. Collect data, analyzes the data and then interpret the results for your school's favorite fruit. To conduct a statistical investigation to determine the favorite fruit of your class, follow these structured steps. Step 1. Formulate investigative questions. Step 2. Data collection. Step 3. Data analysis. Step 4. Data visualization. Step 5. Interpretation of results. According to the data taken in the example, the interpretation is most preferred fruit. Mango is the clear favorite among the surveyed students. Other preferences, banana also shows a strong preference, indicating a general favorability towards sweet, tropical fruits. Lesser preferred fruits, grapes and oranges have fewer votes, with grapes being the least preferred among the options given. Daily record the duration taken by you to reach your school. Now create a histogram for the data recorded. Answer. To create a histogram based on the daily recorded duration it takes to reach school, follow these steps. Step 1. Collect data. Step 2. Create the histogram. Here is the histogram showing the distribution of the daily travel times to school, measured in minutes. The histogram provides a visual summary of the frequency at which different travel durations occurred during the recorded period.